So I need to finish this upper part, and I did delay to start because I am still afraid to do that. But it doesn't help, so let's start it. Many mice. This was very small. It doesn't matter too much because inside will be proper roof insulation, but obviously I can't open this simply empty, so can't let this be simply empty, so I filled with some insulation material. And probably it's best if I cover up this with this fabric, what is windproof and waterproof. It's view for my window and morning sunshine, fog, magnificent. Today we had first serious cold night. I took in my flowers, but I did this only in the night, and unfortunately they are already damaged. But I am very pleased I harvest my beans yesterday evening, because I have them now, and another way all would be gone. There is still cold, all is white, and even we had a little bit ice on the water. What is a bit surprising, because I didn't expect so cold night. I put gas heater in my greenhouse, but again I light up this only 6 a.m. and I believe there is some damage, because again this was a bit colder than expected. But I hope I still have some tomatoes left, because all this plant is damaged because leaves are soft and the color is different. This one is probably partly damaged. For sure I can harvest these tomatoes, what I still have, these red ones. It's probably the best to do that, and let's see what happened with rest ones. Maybe here is some what is not completely out. I should leave this gas heater for the night, but I didn't expect it to be so cold. I need to demolish this wall so I could add new insulation and close up again. I should truly reconsider, do I want to use this old wood or rather not, because if I want to use this, takes much longer to take this out. There is two of roe deers. Unfortunately, they are a bit too far, and I zoom in, so this quality is not good. I try to move a little bit closer. So I need one board over here to make this more straight. Something over here like 3 centimeters and 3 centimeters, both of them. And then This one over there should be 5. Or who knows? I hope 5 is correct. It's good enough for me, so I will connect. I am almost done for today. Only reason why I need cover this little bit up are the birds, because they love demolish this wall. I don't know what reason, but they do this like mad. So I will cover up with this plastic temporarily, and I collect leftovers wool, yes. And that's it, enough for today. I had absolutely wonderful harvest of aubergines. They are last ones. I had much more. And considering climate zone, what we have here, I would say it's 5, maybe 6. It's good. So I will bake them, and then I make baba ganoush with some tahini, lemon juice, salt, pepper, spices. Some of my plants need bigger pots, so today I bought some. And now it's evening. I didn't do much today because I had a friend who visited me. Oh, okay. So definitely this is bigger. This plants reminds me Cyprus. And orange gardens. Jesus. I am not sure how I can lift this. Because this is extremely heavy. What a nice idea to not take any screws with me. Oh my god. Wasn't really smartest thing to do. So I released one and now problem solved. But I could do better. It's so nice evening. Okay, all good. Wrong measure is still my second name. It's almost fitting. That is very nice. So I need cut a little bit this corner and I hope this piece fitting. Oh. Oh. Almost, but not entirely. So I should cut how much? To this point. Okay. It's getting really cold and today is windy without sunshine. Not good. Gives me reason to finish because I know tomorrow will be rainy and then this need to be closed. Oh. In this time, all is okay. At least I hope so. Looks like. I use this one instead of second pair of hands and works very, very well. I did finish the wall, and afterwards I collected all these old boards what was lying around. And my final job was taking some firewood because next day should be rainy and I really like to have nice fire. Thank you everyone who watched until the end. And next week have next jobs. See you.